What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2023 Ford Expedition. So our spare tire is going to be located up underneath the rear of the vehicle, but in order to get it down, there's a few tools we need to get to first. So as you can see, we're at the back of the vehicle. The back hatch is open. I'm going to flip this lid up right here and then flip it over one more time and it'll hold itself up. Now taking a look on the right hand side, the passenger side, there's this tool pouch that's velcroed to the jack. And I've already got this one loosened up, but go ahead and pull that pouch out and we'll take a look at the contents of this. So we're going to have our lug nut wrench here, and this will also be part of the jack handle. Then we have this piece, which is going to be the other part of the jack handle. And then there's this item right here. This is what we're going to use in order to crank the spare tire down, and we'll also use it to get our jack free, which I'll show you here in just a second. So taking a look at this jack, there's this wing nut right here that's screwed down holding it on, and I've already got this one loosened up. So once you unscrew that, the jack itself is opened up to kind of keep some pressure. And just by using your hand right here, you may be able to turn it and lower it. But if not, what you can do is grab this piece here and just kind of stick the end of it in like this and turn it. And once you get just a little bit of a turn, you'll be able to do it the rest of the way by hand. And then once that's low enough, that'll pull out of there like this. And then once the jack itself will set up like that, and I'll show you just kind of quickly here how this jack handle goes on. So that hook piece will hook in there like that. And then this piece, you can see that kind of square cutout. That'll hook in there like that. And that will be the handle for your jack. And then again, that's the lug nut wrench. So now let's take a look at how to get the spare tire down. So if we take a look right here, we see there's this access panel right here, this plastic piece. This will just pull off like that. And there's this round piece, just pull, it's kind of like a plug. And looking down in there, you can see there's that square piece. So then taking a look at our tool, if we unfold it like this, on the shorter end, you'll notice that piece is the same shape, and that's what's going to fit down in there. So I'm going to hook this down in like that. And now I'm going to crank this to the left or counterclockwise. And as I do that, it's going to lower the tire below. Once you feel it hit the ground, crank yourself out just a little bit more slack to work with. And then we'll take a look at how to get this tire free off this cable. So pick the tire up. We have this piece right here. What I'm going to do is slide this piece up a little bit, this black piece, and then turn it straight up and down and feed it through the center of the tire. And then this piece will come free. And now our spare tire is free. So we have our spare tire, and then we looked at our jack and those tools there. That should be everything you need in order to change your flat tire. Then of course you'll just reverse everything we just did to close it up. And one other thing I'll mention quickly is if you can put your third row down, if you don't have anything in there, it's a little easier to crank this down. But I did this one with this up in case you have a car seat or something in there where you're not able to do that. But that does make that a little bit easier. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.